welcome back to our channel. Today I am headed to the Children's Hospital with Wren for an appointment with audiology. This was a surprise appointment that we found out about only 2 days ago. Basically, we went to her developmental pediatrician appointment, which we've been waiting on for months, to address her ADHD and FAS and get American diagnoses for those things. And while there, they ran a hearing test on her with this sophisticated little thing that they stick in her ear, and she failed in one ear. And they even tried multiple little pieces to go on the end of the ear instrument, and she failed. So they said she has to go see an audiologist to find out what's going on with her hearing. So we were lucky enough when I called yesterday to get a cancellation appointment today instead of having to wait months like we usually do for every specialist. So I took it, even though it was like my only day of the week that I wasn't going to have to go anywhere. I was going to be able to hang out in pajamas all day. That did not happen. So we did school this morning, and now Wren and I are about to head out to go see the audiologist this afternoon. So we'll let you follow along with us. So we're here at the hospital with Willow, who came along, and Miss Wren, who the appointment's actually for. So we're ready to go. For your ear, yes. Because one of them failed the hearing test.
Yeah. Wait, I didn't No.
How many elevators have we gone on?
This is the second one.
Okay.
And then two. Second
Two.
one.
Let's go out there and go check in.
Yeah. To brush. Good boy.
So we actually got results right away when they did her ears because the machine just tells the lady. She said that sound was moving, so her ear wasn't completely blocked with wax and her eardrum moves, but that there was mild hearing loss, and she said that it was most likely because Wren was slightly congested. It's weird because that morning she sounded kind of congested, but she never ended up getting sick. This is a couple days later now that I'm filming this, and they said if she's congested at all, it will create that false mild hearing loss reading, but that I need to come back in like a month when I'm totally sure that she's not congested at all and have her rerun. But the funny thing is she keeps sounding this way. She sounds kind of congested when she's talking, but she's not got any kind of snot or blowing her nose or sneezing or anything going on at all that would indicate anything except that when she speaks, she sounds kind of congested. So I have to wait it out. And as soon as she's not congested, I have to take her back in and see if it was just the congestion or not. So fingers crossed that the second round shows that her hearing's fine. I was a little bit worried when they said one of her ears wasn't hearing properly, especially because she's having a lot of trouble fine-tuning her English, like for instance the word beet. We eat a lot of borscht and she loves beets, and she'll see the beets and she'll say, oh, beets. She always adds that in there, and I've tried to go say ba-e-ta, and she could say ba-e-ta, but as soon as she puts it together in a word, she says beet, always adds in the end. And there's other words where she adds in syllables that aren't there or leaves out syllables regardless of how many times I try to show her how to say the word right. But maybe that's just how you learn English as a second language. I don't know. It's my first kid that I've adopted that speaks at somewhat of a normal level that's learning English. I mean, Hannah's a totally different ballgame because she's like the toddler that only her family understands most of the time. Anyways, I will make a second video when we go back to do Wren's second hearing test in maybe a few weeks, a month, I'm not sure. But for now, we have no real answers because either she has mild hearing loss for an unknown reason or she is so congested that she has mild hearing loss right now. So we will find out, and stay tuned. Thank you for joining us. Bye.